I was only looking for books, picked up something that wasn't books. Hello, welcome back. So, I'm trying to walk and talk into the camera at the same time. Bit of a mission. I'm off to Jumble Sale. I'm happy to pick up some more books. Got a bag, I've got my rucksack, I've got my GoPro. We're ready to go. So yeah, we'll see what it's like. It could be an absolute bust, but we shall see. Got to be in it to win it. Is there like a set price or anything, or is it?
No, it's by negotiation.
Okay.
So,
How much is that then?
so a couple of quid.
Yeah, sounds good.
So I can't guarantee that everything.
No, no, fair enough. That's fine.
Lovely. Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Are you thinking of an activity? I've seen the films.
Yeah, basically the exact same.
How much are the magazines, please?
What do you think the magazine?
Do you want to take them all?
Potentially, depending on price, I suppose.
Make me an offer.
I really wouldn't have a clue.
Same here.
How many are? How many?
I don't know whether it's a complete run or not.
It looks, I think, almost
A
complete.
couple of quid for the whole lot.
Yeah, go in and I'll do that, please.
Let's get that on camera.
I think I do. Oh, well, it's in my back pocket.
We must be able to sell this to a direct
Oh, don't show Louisa. She'll chip by no
Thank you very much.
Yeah, sell it by weight, I think.
Yeah, sounds good. Got to try and carry it now.
Yeah.
Thank you. Like I'm going around that way. Thank you. Well, that was very short. Actually, one table of books, not even much on there. So, as you probably would have seen, I've grabbed a couple of bits. I'll go through them once I've got my breath back. Right, so we're back home now. It's the following day, and I'll show you all of the wonderful things I got. It's a bit disappointing, but it's my first jumble sale of the year. I've still got lots of stuff to get through, so it doesn't really bother me. It was nice to have a quick look around, but I was literally in there, as you'll probably see by the video. I'd probably show you the whole footage, and it would be like about 3 minutes, if that. Managed to get 2 pickups. I was only looking for books, picked up something that wasn't books. Again, you've probably seen it, but I'll show you anyway. So yes, I picked up the Question of Sport, which literally as soon as I walked in, grabbed it for £2. Can't really argue with that. I've looked through it, it looks in really good condition. I could sell it as it is. I've got another one previously, but I've looked through, I've pulled out the winning cards. I've put them in little cases, which are not very good cases, I know, but it's something to protect them. So you've got the Mike Tyson in there, Maradona, Art and Senna's, basically anything else is in there. It's complete, really good condition. The box is a bit damaged, but so yeah, I'm still undecided what to do, whether to, I don't know. I've still got the other one at the loft, which I've not touched. I've just put away, and so I might do the same with this and see if the prices ever go up or what. But for £2, not books, don't care, just gonna get it. And then I got some of these, which I am not totally sure. I'm in the light. I've had a quick look up. I couldn't see many that had sold, so it was. But again, for £2 for the 2 bundles, I thought I'd just grab them and try them. I've seen some that were sold for, I think about £5, but I no, just for 1 issue. But again, I don't know what's listed, so I'll probably just list them. I don't know how consecutive they are. They're all around the same time frame, but I haven't actually looked through to see how consecutive they are and which ones are missing. But they look pretty good. So they're all around 2017, 2016, 2017, and then 2018 as well, by the looks of it. So yeah, well, that's it. That's pretty much it. That is it. I did nip to a charity shop beforehand and picked up some more books, but there wasn't anything that exciting in there, so I won't bother going through that at this stage, because it was just sort of some random pickups to go with other bundles of books that I've already got. So yeah, I'd probably just wrap it up there, but it is getting to that start, the start of the car boot jumble sale season. There is another jumble sale next week, which I'm not sure if I get a chance to go to, but we'll see. But then, yeah, I'm quite looking forward to just getting through the stock I've got and trying to make some bundles up and things like that. So that should keep me busy, I am sure. But thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.